Hi, Anna. So I'm going to give you feedback orally because I can't write on this photo. Okay, so let's start. Not a lot of mistakes. By 1983, my parents had gotten married, good use of past perfect, and had their first child, who is my lovely big sister named Kelly. Good sentence. And here it looks like you self-corrected. During fall in fall 1983, I was born in Brazil. Perfect. Good self-correction. In the 90s, I was studying at high school when I did, okay, so here's a word form error. So when I did badly in English, getting low marks, and then preposition error on many tests. But good tense work so far. In 2001, I started to study here I would say in a degree program at university and enrolled myself in an English course. Good. By the end of my studies, I had been studying English for 4 years. Good, correct grammar. In 2005, I came to Canada for my very first time. I spent a month in Vancouver and joined an ESL school. I didn't know that you had been here before. I guess you must have really loved it because you moved here. Between 2005 and 2015, I worked for public schools as a teacher and did not touch an English book during this time. After daydreaming about an experience abroad, I came back to Vancouver 11 years later. Great, excellent grammar. I've been living in Vancouver since 2000. Excellent use of present perfect. My husband moved, no, 2. So my husband moved here 1 year earlier than me. So he had been living a good use of past perfect. He had been living in Canada for a while when I came. My husband and I have been working hard to settle comfortably. We have big plans for next year. We are applying for a mortgage. In 2021, we will have taken out a mortgage successfully. Good use of future perfect. In June 2021, I will have finished the Montessori Guide course. So, as I said, few mistakes and well done in terms of focusing on the grammar.